everyone, I'm Chef Keys. I'm here in Bettendorf, Iowa, and here's how you clean your KitchenAid chrome-infused griddle.
If you read the reviews online for KitchenAid commercial ranges, they all rave about the chrome-infused griddle on the cooktop. We invited Chef Keys over to truly make a mess out of this one in a Quad Cities kitchen, because she's also going to show you how easy that they clean up. She made some delicious food and a little bit of a mess, so let's clean this griddle together, shall we? Your first step is to preheat your dirty griddle surface to 300 degrees and grab a few supplies. You'll need some kitchen towels, a microfiber cloth, wooden spatula, and a non-scratch sponge. You'll also need a cup of water. When your griddle surface hits 300 degrees, the ready light will turn on. Then take that cup of water and, starting from the back, pour it all along that griddle surface. As you work from the back to the front, all of the water and the dirty mess from the griddle will gather in that front trap area. You can then take a wooden spatula and a non-scratch sponge and pull the mess in towards that same front trap. If there are a few things left on the griddle, you can repeat this water step. Just make sure that the front trap can allow for any more added water that you're using as you're cleaning the griddle surface. You can use a wet kitchen towel to wipe away any extra items, turn off the griddle, and let the whole surface cool off. It may take a while before that surface is completely cooled off, so we recommend grabbing a snack while you wait. Once it's cool, you can use a kitchen towel to wipe away any extra mess, and then use a microfiber cloth to buff that surface back up to a beautiful shine. Next, you can remove that front tray and dump out the water and all the mess, then clean it up with soap and water before you return it to that front area of your griddle. Look how awesome this looks all cleaned up. We loved having the chance to watch Chef Keys play around with this commercial 48-inch KitchenAid range. She used so many features on it just for a brunch prepared for these amazing customers of ours. We never want you to feel too intimidated to use your appliances from Village Home Stores, including your electric griddle. Thank you so much to Chef Keys and these homeowners.